Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. My name is EthanDiiulio and well, here's the go-kart again. A lot of different stuff on it, as you can probably see from me just showing it to you. I built an entire like custom dash, and we also have the gauge cluster mounted in here. We got taillight up there. You guys will see all that go in. We did a bunch of wiring stuff too, and this thing actually turns over now, which you guys just saw before I started this. But it's getting there. The clutch is currently off right now because what we're doing is we're making it a little bit thinner so we can put another bearing on it, basically. But once we get that back, we're gonna hook the chain up, and this thing, I'm buying a fuel cell for it today actually, so this thing's gonna come along pretty quick. Right now, all we have to do is mount the seats, and you guys will see these here in a sec. But we gotta mount them and do a couple other things to it, but it is really getting close. I've got some ideas for the exhaust already and how we're gonna do all that stuff. But with this said, and also, thank you so much for 800 subscribers and all the support on the channel. It's awesome. We're 200 away from 1,000, which is kind of crazy to think about. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Let's get right into this video. Hope you enjoy. Alright everyone, we got some goodies here for the go-kart. I bought a couple Race Quip 5-point harnesses, and I also have a seat here. You're probably wondering where the other one is. Well, I ordered one and then found out that it was on back order till May, so I ordered another one, and this is the other one that I ordered because, well, I ordered a different one because this one would be here sooner and I need it for mock-up stuff. So there will be another seat. It's going to be awesome. I do have a seat pad that I ordered that's on the way too for this thing. But yeah, I'm super excited, and this is all an effort to make sure that I don't die riding in a 100 horsepower go-kart. Now we have to go mock it up in the go-kart. See how that's all going to fit. So this is probably more realistic to how this thing's going to be sitting. Yeah, I know that's really high off the floor. But when it's like this, it's pretty much parallel with that bar, which is what we want. So it's ultimately safer to be in. And it is up a little bit forward, but that's probably better anyways because the pedals are actually really far up on this go-kart. But yeah, we're gonna have to make custom seat brackets that kind of sit up like this. Shouldn't be too bad. We've got the materials to do so. So we're gonna have to figure that out, but yeah, it'll just be another part of this. Definitely a lot better and a lot safer than the old seat though, that's for sure. Here is the dashboard. We pretty much got this installed. Well, I guess I shouldn't call it a dashboard, it's more just a gauge cluster. But we're gonna have to put something underneath here for it to sit at an angle like this, because the only way this piece is gonna sit on here is if it's at an angle. So I got that all cut out, and it fits on here good. We just got to figure out a way to mount this on here. But once I throw something underneath here, and since the gauge cluster is already mounted, it should be all good. We just got to figure out wiring from the back to the front. We've got a wiring harness up here, as you can see. We're already starting to try to figure that out. There's also mirrors on here now. They're not set up on here yet, but they're on here temporarily. I think this is how I'm going to run them. I just got to get like a rubber piece to stick in between there instead of cardboard so they fit better. Got the new taillight, just installed that. Hopefully that should work pretty good. I think it will. It's LED and all that. We just got to wire it down to the wiring harness and all that, which shouldn't be too bad. inside the go-kart. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not because of the heater, but we've got wires everywhere. Right now we're trying to mock up where the wiring harness is going to go. It's in a pretty good spot right now. Everything's working. Right now we're working on extending splitters. And we've also got the exhaust. I've been trying to figure out where this is going to go. We've got to start here. My other seat is supposed to come in tomorrow, so I'm going to mock this up and see how far up the seats are going to have to sit, how high up they're going to have to sit, and then I'm going to play around with that, see where this is going to go. And I've got a couple different ideas of what we can do with this that involves chopping a little bit of it. We'll all figure it out in the end. Alright everyone, here are the seats for the go-kart. I'm sure you're wondering why one's black and one's like aluminum finish. Well, that's because this one I ordered a while ago, and it originally said it wasn't going to ship till halfway through May. And I'm not sure what happened, but I'm very thankful I just got it today. So now we have both of the seats. I've already got the racing harnesses here for them. I am planning on ordering seat covers for them. One of them's on the way, I think. Because originally I had just ordered this seat and then I ordered this one and I found out it was going to take 5 months. So there's a seat cover already on the way, but what we're going to do is mock this stuff up in the go-kart, and I've already got ideas for it. So what I have to do is figure out how far up these are going to sit, how much room there's going to be. I'm probably going to get in here and like test fit some stuff. I'm going to move all this out of the way. Figuring it out. Alright, I'm going to get in the driver's side. Alright. Yeah, we're going to have to plant these in here better because they like to rock a little bit. They're not going to sit at an angle like this. They're going to sit more flat planted because my foot's all the way extended. So they can probably move up a little bit more. But this is definitely a good start.
More.
Should. Turn
It's over fast. Light's working. Yeah, the dash light's up.
Cool.
So the generator's working. Cool.
So for the exhaust, we're probably going to do some weird fabricating and run it through here, come out, and it's going to shoot out this way. And then what I'm going to do is bend this so it's like up, and then use this as part of the exhaust mount, I think. Alright, that'll do it for this week's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. It was mostly electrical stuff, and there's also a lot of new parts on it, but it's definitely getting there. We have the CDI and all this stuff tucked up underneath here, so it's pretty clean, and this is super flush, which I love how this turned out. But yeah, it's definitely coming along. It's getting there pretty quick. It's definitely a lot faster than the Supra build, that's for sure. But thank you guys for watching. Support the channel. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. I don't know if I'll upload next week or not. It all depends on how much I get done on this. But thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a great rest of your week. Bye.